Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about assignment operator and comparison operators. So, first, what is meant by an assignment operator? Assignment operator is used to assign values to the variables, right? So, assignment operators can be either a simple assignment or it can be a compound assignment. Okay. So, simple assignment means as you already know. So, see here C equal to A plus B. That means here we are adding A plus B values and we are assigning that result to C. That is a simple assignment. Okay. So if you consider all these plus equal to minus equal to all these, okay. So this is called as plus assignment. It is called as add and. That means here we will perform addition. See here C plus equal to A. That means this can be written as C equal to C plus A. That means first we are performing addition of two operands and then we are assigning the result to the left side operand, that is C. Okay. So similarly in all the other cases also we are doing the subtraction here and then we are assigning the result to another operand. Like that multiplication, division, floor division, exponential and modulo. Okay. So all these are called, these are all our compound assignment operators. Okay. So Python consists of both simple assignments as well as compound assignment operators. Okay. Now let's see one sample program on this assignment operator. So for that, go to Python idle. So go to file, open a new file. See here, I am taking two variables A and B and I am assigning some values to two variables. So here I am assigning A as A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. C is assigned with A plus B. This is a simple assignment. Now just I am printing the value of C. Okay. Next, C plus equal to A. And again I am printing the value of C. Okay. Similarly, C minus equals to A and printing the value of C. Next, C star equals to A. Sorry. C star equals to A and I am printing the value of C. Next, C by division operator equals to A and I am printing the value of C. Okay. Next, C modulo operator equal to A and printing the value of C. Similarly, C floor division equals to A and I am printing the value of C. And last one is C exponential operator equals to A and I am just printing the value of C. So this is my program on assignment operators. So first let me save the program. Save as. So sample.py. Okay. Next, just I am running the module. So see here. So first initially 10 plus 20, that is 30. Next C is now assigned with 30, right? So C plus equal to M is C equal to C plus A, that is 30 plus 10, 40. C minus M is 40 minus 10, 30. C into M is 30 into 10, 300. C by M is 300 by 10, that is 30. And C modulo M is 0. So as now C contains the value of 0, so the remaining results will be also 0. For floor division and as well as for exponential, the result is 0. So here the first statement C equal to A plus B, this is a simple assignment and all the other are compound assignment operators. Okay. So that's about the program on assignment operator. Let's talk about comparison operators. So comparison operators are also called as relational operators. Okay. So what is the main purpose of this comparison operators is these are used to compare the values of the variables. Okay, these are used to compare the values. That means you can compare two operands by using these comparison operators. So these are also called as relational operators. They will say the relation between those two operands. Okay, so the relation can be either equal to, not equals to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are the various possible relationship between the two operands, right? So always these comparison operators, always they will return either true or false according to the condition. Okay, according to the condition they will return either true or false. That is the only output we can expect through these comparison operators. Okay, according to the condition they will return either true or false. Okay, now let me execute the code. So for that, go to Python idle. So see here, I am directly executing here itself. 2 equals to 2. Condition is true. So this will return true. 2 not equal to 2. So condition is false. Next, 2 is less than 3. True. 2 is less than 1. False. Next, 2 is greater than 3. False. 4 is greater than 2. True. Right? Next, 2 is less than or equal to 2. True. Because equals to less than or equal to means it can be either less or equals to. As equals to is true, it returns true. Right? Next, 3 is greater than or equal to 3. True. Okay. So like this, we can use comparison operators to compare the values of the variables. Okay. So that's about the comparison operators. Thank you.